Nowadays, in many countries, it's not allowed to sell electronic cigarettes online. Have you ever think of selling your vapes by a smart vending machine? Today I'm going to show you a suitable machine for your product. It's a mini smart vending machine. Its width is 77 cm and the height is 75 cm. You can put this machine onto a wall. You can make your own design stickers and wrap onto the machine. When you receive a new machine, you'll find some parts from this pickup hole. Take it out. You will find 4 installation screws, antennas, and keys. Connect the antenna for Wi-Fi and 4G. Connect the antenna for card reader. Connect the plug to the power source. Now the machine is on. The machine has a 22-inch touch screen, a nice card reader, and age verification module. Now let's open the door and look at the goods trays inside. There are 4 floors. Each floor has 3 slots. The spiral coils can be customized according to your product packing size. From our tutorial video, you can study how to upload the products to the machine. On top of the screen, 1/3 of the space is for you to upload advertisement. You can upload photos and videos. Let me show you how to buy from the machine. Touch the screen to buy. Because there's an age verification, you should verify your age first. Now I have a USA ID card. So now let me show you how to do the age verification. Present the card for verification. Now age verification success. I can select the products from the touch screen. Now I select one product.
Present your card or your mobile phone.
Tap the card.
Authorizing. Thank you.
Now I can get the products from here.
Thank you.
We have developed a very cool function we call shopping cart, which allow you to add different products into the shopping cart and pay in one payment. Meanwhile, you can see that you can set the discount for the users. That means that when the users buy a few products in a time, you can set some discount for them. For example, 5%, 10%. Click to pay.
Please present your card or your mobile phone.
Tap the card.
Thank you.
Now the products are being delivered one by one. If you want to get more information, please contact us. Thank you.